Our dark colored boat cover stained the light vinyl seats on our boat, and I figured out a way to lighten them with this little solution. So a few weeks ago, I decided to tackle a problem that has been an ongoing issue in my car for a minute. Well, I had an issue where, I would spill things on my seatbelt, like ketchup, from eating in my car, and I would actually stain it. I tried everything. I've tried going to different shops and vendors, and they refused to touch my car because, yeah. So I had to figure it out on my own. And being as though this is my investment, I figured I would try what would come to mind. And I thought of it, but I used this. So with that being said, I want to do this project again, but on a boat. So my husband has a boat that has like 10 seats and it is damaged along the edges. You'll see. But I want to try and see if I can bring that back to life, and we'll see how that goes. So right now we're just walking down to the marina, and then I'm going to start doing my little testing. But if all goes well, I'm going to do the whole boat and then basically get his reaction. I don't know if I'm going to show y'all his reaction. He may not want to be recorded, but we'll see. So right now I'm just heading down to the boat with my supplies, but I think it's going to work. I mean, it worked on the inside of my car. Why wouldn't it work on vinyl on a boat? So here is the damage. A lot of it's sun damage, but it came from the cover actually touching the vinyl and the color transferred. So I'm gonna see if I can get this out a little bit. But that's the project. So the supplies I'll be using are the OxiClean 2 pieces of cut up white towel and the other half of the towel that I didn't cut up. So I'm going to be using these to wipe it clean and this to dry it. And of course, we're going to be using some water. So I'm going to be adding this to this, using it as a solution to clean it. And I'm going to rinse it and then towel it dry. So let's see how it goes. All right, this is with it treated just once. It's supposed to fade a little bit more over time, but this is what it looks like up close. You can still see the brown mark. So in about 20 minutes, I'm going to come back and see how it looks. But until then, we're going to get started on this side. You want to make sure you thoroughly rinse it. I mean, thoroughly, everything. After that, you want to go in with your towel and dry everything off. Don't let nothing dry in blotches or with drips. Towel dry everything. Immediately after cleaning, this is what the edges look like. They're still a little brown, but we're going to let it cook, basically. It's sitting out in the sun. Let's see. Give it 24 hours. So we are back 24 hours later, and honestly, I can tell a difference. Now, of course, the solution did not completely take away all of the markings because some of this is sun damage and some of the paint peeling off of the vinyl. So we weren't going to be able to revive that with just wiping some solution on it. But I do notice that the markings that were left on the vinyl from the boat cover being on it is gone, and the areas are lighter. So from far away, it is not noticeable as much as it was before. Okay, so again, here is the boat before the treatment with the sun damage that actually cannot be reversed, but this is what it looks like. And here is what it looks like afterwards with all of the spots slightly lightened and only the sun damage remains.